What's going on, guys? Welcome back, Leo Pazzo Productions. Thank you very much for tuning in. In today's video, it's going to be a very special video because we have a brand new product here by Rode. This is the RodeCaster video, which is going to change the way that we live stream, broadcast, record our videos and our audio. It is literally jam-packed with a bunch of features that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today to get you a little bit more familiar. I will mention I'm going to leave a link down in the description down below to a playlist all dedicated to the RodeCaster video. So today's video is part one to get you guys more familiar, quick little introduction. And then I'm going to be making a part two video that is going to show you guys how to actually use the RodeCaster video in more detail, showing you guys some behind the scenes and some overall usage scenarios. And part three, we're going to have a closer look at the Rode Central software. So stick with me, guys. Let's go ahead and get you a little bit more familiar with the RodeCaster video itself. The RodeCaster video marks a huge step in the evolution of Rode and a massive milestone for creator technology. At its core, the RodeCaster video is a video switcher offering creators a hands-on solution for creating dynamic content, both live and recorded. In addition to its next generation video engine, flexible video connectivity options, innovative switching workflow, and powerful production features, it is also a complete audio production solution, giving you everything you need to create content that looks and sounds incredible. While the RodeCaster video offers plenty of hands-on control on the device itself, creators can enhance their production with the Rode Central companion software. Alongside advanced configuration options, Rode Central allows for remote control over Wi-Fi or Ethernet, giving operators an option to wirelessly preview and control their production when they need to sit further away from the console. So to just briefly go over some of the key features of the RodeCaster video, starting off with the high performance octa-core CPU with a next generation video engine built from the ground up, allows for innovative scene-based architecture that makes it super simple to create, configure, and switch between the complex multi-source layout. With the 4 HDMI inputs and 2 flexible USB-C inputs, allows for connecting and switching between 6 video sources simultaneously, including USB webcams. With the 2 studio-grade Neutrik combo jacks with ultra-low noise, high-gain revolution preamps for capturing pristine audio from XLR microphones, instruments, and other audio equipment. The RodeCaster video also features dual internal wireless receivers for connecting Rode series wireless microphones such as the Wireless Pro, the Wireless Me, and the Wireless Go 2. With powerful Aphex audio processing, including an EQ, compressor, noise gate, high-pass filter, de-esser, and the legendary Aural exciter, big bottom, and compeller effects. It also features an automatic green screen or blue screen for effortlessly replacing backgrounds and using video sources in scenes for the Chroma Key. With the innovative Inspect feature for quick and easy preview and configuration of any input or scene. It also has an intelligent audio-based auto switching for seamless hands-free switching between video sources and scenes, perfect for solo creators and shows without producers. We can also stream directly to all major platforms via Wi-Fi or Ethernet or USB and record directly to an external USB storage device, including the Multitrack and isolated recordings for complete post-editing flexibility. We can also stream directly from the RodeCaster Pro to all major platforms via Wi-Fi or Ethernet or USB and record directly to an external USB storage device, including multi-track and isolated recordings for complete post-editing flexibility. We do also have the option for remote control, user assignable graphics and media, custom scene building, audio mixing and effects, and other advanced configuration options via the Rode Central software. So some additional specs and features about the RodeCaster Video: it does support up to 6 simultaneous video input feeds, and it does support up to 1920 by 1080p all the way up to 60 frames per second. And as far as the video streaming standards, it can stream up to 1920 by 1080p all the way up to 60 frames per second. So as far as the built-in media player with the expandable MicroSD card storage, it can support videos of MP4, images of PNG and JPEG, and along with audio WAV files and MP3 as well. The RodeCaster Video also supports Bluetooth for stereo audio input or phone calls. And as far as the analog audio inputs, it does have 2 combo jacks, microphone, line, or instrument with the Revolution preamps. And for the digital audio inputs on USB 4 and 5, it is going to be compatible with the Rode USB microphones and RodeCaster Pro 2 and the Duo. As far as the analog audio outputs, we do have 2 headphone jacks, which are 1/4 inch, and along with 2 balance line output jacks, which are also 1/4 inch left and right. So we do have the option within the audio mixer to add up to 20 possible audio sources, with only 9 stereo channels being able to be active simultaneously. The RodeCaster Video also supports audio processing with the advanced Aphex granular processing on each channel, the compressor, equalizer, de-esser, panning, noise gate, high pass filter, a rural exciter, and big bottom. We do have a frequency range of 20 Hz all the way up to 20 kHz, and the input gain up to 76 dB input. As far as the streaming, it does support real-time messaging protocol, RTMP, over Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and supported platforms. For an example, just to name a few, we got YouTube Live, Twitch Live, Facebook Live, Twitter, X Live, and custom RTMP servers as well. And for the video recording, it can record the program feed as an H.264 MP4 file with embedded AAC stereo mix. We also have isolated video recordings up to 6 video inputs and 1 program feed as an independent H.264 file up to 1080p 30 frames per second. As far as the multi-track audio recording, we can select up to 9 independent stereo wave audio files. And as far as the Rode Central companion software, we do have a bunch of options as far as the scene builder, the auto switching, the audio mixer, the stream profile, and the device configuration. And it is compatible with Mac operating system and along with Windows. So with the RodeCaster Video being small and compact, it only weighs 1,257 grams and measures approximately from left to right 305 millimeters, from front to back 132 millimeters, and approximately 61 millimeters thick. So as far as first getting started with the RodeCaster Video, you're going to want to go ahead and connect the RodeCaster Video USB 2 port to your computer using the included USB cable, then download and install the Rode Central software. At the back of the RodeCaster Video, we do have several USBc connections. So USB 1 is going to be able to send a video stream of the live program feed from the RodeCaster Video, as well as the multi-track audio interface and an extra USB chat audio channel. Connect this to your computer using the included super speed USB-C cable when you wish to send your video stream, multi-track audio, and chat audio to other softwares. So moving along to USB-C number 2, which is going to be the control and secondary audio. USB 2 is used to control and configure the RodeCaster Video when connected to a computer running Rode Central. It also functions as a secondary audio interface, and it is MFI certified, meaning that it's ideal for connecting to secondary computers, iOS, and Android phones. You can also connect both USB 1 and USB-C 2 to the same computer for even greater flexibility. Moving along, USB-C number 3, the USB storage. USB 3 is used for connecting USB mass storage devices such as external hard drives and thumb drives. This is where your video and audio will be recorded either as single files or multi-track files. So moving along to USB-C inputs 4 and 5, the RodeCaster Video features two multi-purpose USB-C ports that can be used to connect USB video devices such as webcams, capture cards, and video USB audio devices such as the RodeCaster Pro 2 and the Duo, as well as a range of Rode USB microphones including the NT USB, the PodMic USB, and more. The RodeCaster Video is also going to allow us to adjust the audio processing using the Vox Lab, and we do have the options to control the depth, the sparkle, and along with the punch. And at the back of the RodeCaster Video, we do have a MicroSD card slot, which is going to allow us to store videos, images, graphics, and sounds to be used in our production. And they do recommending using a UHS class or higher with a write speed of at least 30 megabytes per second. Well guys, it looks like we reached that time of the video to give you my overall thoughts and first impressions of the RodeCaster Video. If you guys cannot tell already throughout the course of this video, I'm definitely super impressed with how many features is jam-packed into this console. Again, I really do like the fact that it has the XLR combo jacks to supply phantom power to those microphones and also being able to plug in instruments. Really nice to have those combo jacks along with the 1/4-inch connections for connecting headphones and along with being able to output that audio to speakers as well. Several different USB-C connections to plug into our computer, external hard drives, and a bunch of different webcams and audio interfaces as well. And I'm also happy with the 4 HDMI inputs along with the 2 configurable HDMI outputs, the 7 different scenes, the layers, the picture-in-picture, the media library, the ISO recordings of not only our videos but also the audio tracks tracked out as well, the processing as far as the audio. I'm telling you guys, the list goes on. Super impressed with it. If you guys do want to know more about this device, how to use it, how to set it up, how to connect it, all that kind of good stuff, definitely stay tuned. There's a link down in the description down below to the playlist for the RodeCaster Video that I'm going to be creating one by one, so you'll easily be able to find it down in the description of this video. Don't forget, if you do have any questions or comments or anything, let me know down in the comment section down below, because maybe I'll be able to answer those questions in a future upcoming video. Much love guys, I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you have learned something along the way, and we're looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Till next time, peace.